Okay, I had something I want to go over with you guys real quick, kind of interesting. I thought this was just going to be a simple no start tow in from the rental car company, but it turns out we'll go through this first. You can see the car unlocks and locks, can open the hatch, so I know it recognizes the key fob. Okay, I know this shit recognizes the key fob. Okay, unlock. And then it just started on the key fob, okay? But when you get in the car and you want to drive, you go to turn the key on and nothing, right? It says no key found. Okay, so you would think, okay, well, let me put it in the transmitter pocket, like it says. So we did that. Still nothing, okay? So to turn it off, you got to click it twice. Vehicle goes off. I can't hook the scanner up to it, but I know that this car recognizes the key fob signal. The battery tested fine, and then the fuses for the ignition are fine. Past that, you're supposed to check the brake switch and make sure that the vehicle is all the way in park, which it is. If that still doesn't happen, Chevy says that it's the push button failure, the engine push start failure. If I do all these checks and they're good, you know, they want me to ship it back to Chevy so they can jump individual modules and see what is going on. So this is probably something that they have not figured out yet, but I just thought I would make a cool little quick video. And then yeah, so basically, like I said, I checked the fuse for the ignition, it's fine. Battery tested good, the brakes work, and it is in park, and then the key recognizes everything, so it's got to go. It's a 2026 Equinox for the rental company, so a little interesting. Like I said, I just thought I would make that for you guys real quick.